What's up, guys? Viperfpv here, and today, well, actually not today, but a couple weeks ago, I went ahead and I showed you guys a budget build that you're able to do for less than $120. Now, the actual quad that I built was about $160 just because I wanted to have the upgraded motors, a little better camera, and I wanted to definitely have better range with my video transmitter. So that's why I went ahead and built that type of model. But then I also showed you guys some links in the description showing you the $120 build, which is essentially the same exact build, just a little bit less range on the VTX. With the Samguk motors, which aren't fabulous, but they are pretty cheap and they are pretty good for what you get. And then also it had there's an orange camera. It wasn't really anything special about it. That's why I went ahead with an Arrow camera on the Budget Pro build, which is phenomenal actually for the price. I think it's around 20 bucks or so, and you can definitely see the difference in quality. So without further ado, I'm going to leave the links, everything to those builds down in the video description. So if you're interested in checking those out, they are affiliate links and they do help out the channel tremendously. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get to the flight. And leave it down in the comments section down below of what you thought if you're thinking about building one yourself. I'd love to help you guys out if you have any questions. And this is running on Betaflight 4.1.